up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got this beautiful 1969 Camaro convertible 427 Resto Mod. I'll go over the entire vehicle so you know what you get before you get it. This thing runs and drives absolutely amazing. Before we get into it, if you like classic cars and want to see all our new inventory, please hit the like button and subscribe. This is a 69 with a 427. It's got about 3,000 miles on the drivetrain. Upgraded suspension. Fuel injected. Just get in and go. Take you through the outside right now. We'll start with the exterior fender. I'll be honest with you, it's a nice looking car, but it's got a lot of little chips, little flaws, nothing major. It's a beautiful looking car. The top is in good shape. It drives good. This thing mechanically is sound. It's a Resto Mod, so it drives like a new car, but it's got a little bit of flaws, and I'll show you. You got some chips in the body. Somebody tried to cover it up here with the wrong color. On this door line, you got no dents on it, just a lot of little chips, see? Just like on this body line here. Car was originally from Texas, so it's got a clean undercarriage. As far as the body, like I said, it's got a lot of little nicks in it. The car shows very, very well. Tires are almost brand new. Look at that. Clean as a whistle under here. It's all upgraded. Look at that. It's a 427 crate. It's got 3,000 miles on it. Look at the odometer. Easy EFI fuel injection, power steering, all the good stuff. Buck tag right there. Interior's in great shape. Got some aftermarket gauges. So 3,493 miles. This was reset when the new engine went in. Before we start it, let me show you the trunk. This thing is solid, real solid underneath, real solid on the inside. I would say the paint is driver quality, maybe a little bit above. All right guys, we're in the 69 Camaro electronic fuel injection. We're not pumping the gas on this one. You just turn the key, start it up. No need to let it warm up or anything. We just put it in drive and we go. This thing is a Resto Mod 427. It is very, very, very fast. And it drives very, very good. Brake stop great. Everything works the way it should. Going to get it on it too much because this thing is very fast and quick, but it drives awesome. Look at it. I can drive it with my pinky if I wanted to. It's very responsive. It's got upgraded suspension on it. This thing's just a nice cruiser. It looks good. It drives good. It's overall a solid car. She boogies, guys. Everything works the way it should in this one. Very fast. We got aftermarket gauges right here. We got oil pressure, water temperature, voltage. We got around 3,500 miles on the engine. This thing gets a ton of looks. We're going to take off right now. Whoa. Now listen, that back end will get loose from you. This thing is quick. It boogies, guys. It's a nice car. If you want to fly in, you fly into Trenton Mercer Airport, right across the bridge in Jersey, about 20 minutes from our shop. We'll pick you up. Or you can fly into Philadelphia International. It's about 45 minutes away. We'll pick you up as well. Or we could ship it right to you. You'll get the car. It'll show up at your doorstep. We do everything electronically, so you know all the paperwork. You send bank wire. We have the car shipped to you. We make everything real easy. We close within 48 hours, and we can get it shipped out to you within 24 hours once we receive payment. If you're interested, go on our website, BobEvansClassics.com, or give me a call directly, 215-801-9493. Again, 215-801-9493. You won't reach any salespeople. You're going to reach me directly. You'll deal with me. We'll make a deal happen. It's up for sale now, guys. Give us a call. Give us a call or go on our website. Come on, hit the subscribe if you like classic cars and you want to see stuff like this every day. This thing is nice, ready for you to buy today. Give us a call today, and God bless the USA.